Well, y'all, it finally made it here. My Freespirit 270-degree awning has taken 4 months to get here because they kept losing it. But she's here now, so let's put her on. Okay, we've got strings and stakes to tie down with, some hardware, some brackets, and the full awning itself. So the only tools you're gonna need is probably just a socket set and they say a tape measure. All right, little thing that I just learned is these brackets are sold separately. If you want to attach it to your Freespirit Recreation tent, you need these brackets. I did not know that, so it is actually a week later and I'm wearing the same clothes as if I was doing it on the same day. Movie magic. Okay, we're just gonna pop this little plastic end off so we can slide in our T bolts here. Since I'm attaching it to my tent, which is the U brackets, which I didn't have at first, now I do have. You need 3 on top and 3 on bottom. And just these ones, because the other ones they'll spin. I'm talking about these guys right here. Pop the rubber off so I could slide some bolts into this. Now you're gonna take the provided T-nuts that comes with the sold separately brackets, and you're just gonna slide them into these slots. Now I'm gonna get these channel nuts just kind of lined up where I want them. They bolt on at like a diagonal pattern like that. So I'm gonna try and just get them as close as possible to where the U brackets will fit onto it and evenly distributed throughout the weight of the tent. Now I'm just gonna do the best I can to start threading these in without sliding these dang things all over the place. And then mind you, they do come with a washer and a lock wash. So I already put those on before putting it in here. Okay, then it just says to feed it through here so you can tighten it. They say a M8, but I think it's a 6. I don't know. The U brackets are on. The hard part for me is doing this alone. I have to shoulder this thing, try and line up these bolts to those brackets. Let's give it a shot. Oh yeah, that was gonna happen. Oh, you know what? I have an idea. Let me show you what I've done here. I've taken good old duct tape, because I don't have any friends, and I'm just gonna put these bolts to where I think they will get close to lining up with the brackets, but they like to slide everywhere. Let's see if I can't use this ladder as my friend. Okay, once you've struggled to get it on there, you just reach back in there, take a 1/2 inch, and tighten down your bolts, and then she's installed. There you have it. That's the Freespirit 270 awning installation. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to hit that like button and to subscribe to my channel. I do all kinds of fun adventures and some installs, but I'm mostly just trying to adventure. And that's what I'm gonna do with this awning. I'll let you guys know how it goes on the next one.